have a phone and it won't turn off.
I don't rely solely on physical evidence.
See, it won't turn off.
Says
It
here that you were
won't
2 years into your
turn on.
residency when all this happened. What did you want to specialize in? Pediatrics. You haven't requested parole in over 18 years.
The system put me in here. They're going to keep me in here. I just got to buy a little faster since I accepted that.
Has the heroin helped you
Let's
pass
try
the
to
time?
do it now.
They found it in your cell 2 years ago.
The regime had to assert power.
You're saying someone planted it.
It is what it is.
You hadn't been in solitary since you got here.
Gave me a lot of time to think about my son.
Your son's name is Joshua.
I'm sorry, I still don't understand how you're going to ignore all that evidence. The prosecution said that I had an acute
See, it
psychological
won't turn
break.
off.
I was a psychopath. Is that what you see?
Psychopaths are masters at hiding what's inside of them.
Is that what you think I've done? Agent, do you have any idea what it's like to be accused of something that you didn't do?
You was in the infirmary 16 times. And not once did you ever try to fight back.
No. The last time they beat me, I almost had it. I didn't think that I was going to make it.
See, guys, my phone will turn off. I'm going back into my room, guys. So that's it. Yeah, I'm not gonna show my face. I come from the past. I really come from the past, guys. I'm a blonde hair girl.